Hello dear Scorpios, welcome back to my channel and this is your April month's monthly reading. We are going to cover everything from love, career, money, business, success, health, whatever you can think of, it's going to be covered. So let's begin. Your cards are already out. There's a very important announcement regarding the new moon which is happening tomorrow. So if you want to know more about the rituals, please wait till the end. So let's begin. In the first week onwards, you've got the Six of Stars and the Prince card. Now, how your April month is going to begin. Some of you are dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising, or you could have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart, Scorpios. Okay, I do see some sort of good news that is coming your way. It can be a love offer, it can be a commitment or marriage offer, and it can be a good news pregnancy related, or it can be a new opportunity, new client, new customer coming your way. So you can imagine any sort of good news which is going to make you happy right now is going to come in the beginning of April. Who is this opportunity coming from? This person will be at a very good position. So if we talk about your personal life, this person is going to be like a prince or princess, somebody who's well settled, well spoken, and also kind at the same time. Same goes for your career as well. This person is very kind. They are genuinely trying to help you by giving you this job offer. They are genuinely interested in your business, and that is why they want to invest in your business, right? Or they're offering you loyalty or customer or anything. So yes, this person is very reliable. If this is you, then I also see that you yourself could be at a very high position or a very kind person as well. Moving on, what's happening in your April month? You've got the Nine of Spades and the Sun card. Wow. 9 has also reflected, so you could be seeing 9 as well. Yes, or any other angel numbers. Please Google the meaning of it. I do see that you will find a lot of success, happiness, abundance in your life in the month of April. Scorpios, I do see monetary abundance and success. That means profit of some kind coming on your way, promotion coming your way, new clients and business success which is coming your way, right? Also, if we talk about your personal life, like I said, pregnancy related news and marriage is also possible. So yes, you could actually be getting married in the month of April, or at least rocofied or engaged as well, which means some sort of function is going to happen, some sort of finalization of the plans, or the boy or the girl is going to happen. So definitely it is off to a great start for you guys. I just see contentment and happiness in you, right? Very happy where you are in your career and your love life as well. Moving on, in the mid-month, you've got the Two of Spades and the Emperor. Scorpios, I do see that some of you are still stuck in the past. You may have been abandoned by somebody, or somebody hurt you in the past. Maybe you are trying to move away from that kind of energy. It can be a loss of investment or business, or it can be a hurt of relationship as well. If somebody was not truthful to you in the past, I also see, by the way, a reconciliation coming for you as well. So if you were hoping for that, that's also going to come back. And when this person comes back this time, they will give you the kind of commitment they did not earlier, right? So if you're worried about it, please make things clear in advance when they come back. Whether are you coming back with the intention of marriage or commitment, or are you still coming back to play me around, right? And if you have lost a money or investment in some way, I do see that financial stability will be restored. That means all that money either will be coming back, or you will be making so much more money that your financial instability will move away, right? It is also a card of father influence. So it could be that in your relationships, you might get an offer, a marital offer, from your father's side, or your father is advising you, or in your career as well. I do see either you are doing business with your father, or they are giving you the guidance or the job opportunities that you desire. Now, your father figure, brother, husband, head of the family, can be anyone, might be strict as well when they speak, but they mean well. They have your back. So trust them. If they're giving you some advice, please take it. Moving on towards the end of April, you've got the Eight of Spades and the Hierophant. Yes, Scorpios, I do see you overthinking a lot. You've got two cards where you are very scared from inside, or you're very hurt, or you are afraid of getting hurt, right? Especially if we talk about your personal life, sometimes we are scared of starting a new relationship or marriage even. Now, marriage is going to happen any which ways, whether that's with the person who's coming back or whether that's with a new person. That depends on each of your situation, right? Scorpios, because situations are different. So yes, if this is something you're still very scared of taking that next step in your life, right? And I completely understand. It is scary that because it's a big decision, right? And that is going to affect your entire life. So yes, I know you're overthinking, but please don't take that good beauty, sleep well, think positive thoughts. But I do see some sort of traditional ceremony coming your way any which way, whether that's a pregnancy related ceremony, whether that's a marital ceremony that is happening. There is a traditional ceremony or actual marriage which is happening for you, engagement as well. When we talk about your career or your success business wise, I do see you could be buying a new land and doing some sort of puja, or you are buying a new house, new car, or opening up a new office, or you're getting promotion, so you're celebrating that. So some sort of ceremonies are happening in your home and career front as well. So it is going to be overall a very beautiful month for you, Scorpios. As I see, there is a lot of happiness and stability that will be coming in your life, right? So yes, a lot of financial stability, emotional stability as well. So if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you get the notification and you can see and watch what is going to happen for you in the month of April in advance and for every month. And if you want to claim the positive energies of this reading, please comment I claim this energy so that these energies can reach you faster. Now coming to the news of March 29, the new moon, this is a perfect time for rituals, manifestation rituals, blockage removal rituals which I offer. You can book them today because they are to be performed tomorrow in any which way. So please DM me or email me as well. The links are mentioned in my bio and description box. And if you would like to book a personal reading or oracle love reading, that is, if you have any questions on your mind or if you are in no contact, you want to channel your partner's feelings, you can book that as well. Email me at asasharma842@gmail.com or DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. My charges are very cheap. They will not make a hole in your pocket. You can check out the description box for the charges as well. Choose what suits your budget. And yes, also please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details and new launches over there. So take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.